Hi, we are here. My daughter and his daughter, she just picked me up and grabbed food to eat before we're going to nail salon. So she treated me. She said, "Mom," she called me after my dialysis. She told me, "Mom, let's go. I will take you Aunt's salon, nail salon." Siya daw ang magbayad, kaya pupunta kami at sabi ko sa kanya, gutom ako. I told her that I'm hungry. She said, so that's the reason she grabbed food in Cookie Ball Sushi Bar. So mga inday here, malapit lang dito yung ano ko, yung trabaho lang dyan, yung hospital. Advent Hospital yan, trabaho ko dyan. I was working there for almost 17 years yung building yan doon. Yan. Ito mga office yan dyan, office. So yung my house is closer this place. It's 2 minutes to drive. So we stay here almost 20 years. So yan. Kaya after here, we are going to nail salon. So, ititreat niya daw ako ng paa ko. So, okay na lang man. So, that's my eldest daughter. She just got out the bank. Kaya, here, malapit lang talaga sa amin. Marami dito. Mayroon diyang spa, pero parang ano yata yan, yung hindi walk-in. So, pupunta kami sa nail spa. Sa nail spa, yung walk-in. Yan, yung doon, marami dito. Yung donut place. Yan, at marami na dito. Yung, nagdating kami 2023 dito sa Texas, sa Killeen. Walang-wala dito, mga lab, walang mga tao dito. At doon sa likuran nitong mga building na ito, mga plaza na to, ay yun malapit dyan ang bahay ko at mayroong maliit na neighborhood Walmart. May maliit na siya nagpingan at sila nalakad lang. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Thank you for support. If you can, take care of yourself and don't work too hard.
Kaling ko takot pa kumawara.